How to fix blurry profile picture on Twitter app. So if you want to fix blurry profile picture on Twitter app, then what you need to do is, let me tell you that the recommended dimension is 400 pixels by 400 pixels. So the image should be the ratio of 1:1, and the maximum and the minimum free size should be 2 MB. So make sure that your resolution is correct, after which you can go ahead and use a high quality image. And if that's not the case, you can go ahead and open up your Twitter application. After that, make sure that you've logged into your account and then go with your profile, which will be on the left-hand side of your corner. And then go with settings and support, which will be in the bottom, and tap on settings and privacy. And here you may find an option of accessibility, display, and languages. And here you will have data usage. After which you want to go to the images option and select high quality images over your mobile data and Wi-Fi. And also go with the video section and select mobile data and Wi-Fi. And make sure that the data saver is turned off, because when enabled, videos won't autoplay and lower quality images load. So this automatically reduces your data usage for all X accounts on this device. So make sure that this is turned off. And once you've done that, you need to just go back and try uploading a profile picture, and it will fix your blurry profile picture. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.